Hi everyone, Vin from Forex Trading here. Today we're just looking at Bitcoin and a pretty large opportunity that might be setting up for the future. So Bitcoin's been incredibly bullish obviously, and we've had this series of what I count as 1-2s like this, and we've finally come up and completed this third here. So from there, obviously, we've had this kind of sideways correction over the past few days, and I think it's starting to take shape as a triangle. I noticed that when there was this choppy correction to the downside, and then a very clear three-wave move up, and then this kind of move straight back down. After that, I saw that move coming down again. I instantly thought it's either going to be a bullish 1-2, 1-2 like this, but then it would have to take off for a huge third wave, which it didn't. It made this choppy move upwards. So there I instantly thought it's going to be a triangle. When you see this kind of sideways overlapping movement, it's pretty much always going to take some kind of triangle shape. And since I'd already counted a third, a triangle was quite likely, especially after wave 2 being quite sharp and quite quick. So the way triangles work is that for this E wave here, we're just going to look for a simple 3-wave move here, and then usually a buy signal would come on the break of D here, or on a break here, something like this, on this on the 3-wave move down. But overall, this is very bullish. The invalidation level is actually right here. So if it breaks, let's just say 12,000, then we're looking at a different pattern. The second most likely pattern would be that it's actually a move down, and then we'd see A, B, C, D, E like this. That's why a buy signal would be produced on the break of 15,400-ish. What would then happen from there? Well, we'd see something incredibly bullish like this, bringing us up to I'd say about well past 20,000, maybe coming close to 30,000 before a larger correction. And the correction after that would actually be reasonably large. We'd see a move down that would hopefully hold 12,500, and we'd find some support around 18,000 possibly. Definitely holding above this wave 4 that's completing now. If that wave 4 actually gives way, then that could be quite bearish for Bitcoin, and we'll likely see a deeper move, especially when it starts breaking these highs here. That's a very bad sign. So for now, it's an incredibly good buying opportunity. I've been posting some ideas on TradingView. I'm going to try to post an idea every single day for 50 days on TradingView, and so far I've done 3. I'll just quickly go over them, why not. This one I was looking at Ethereum with a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 count, and we came up and we're making this third wave here, and this is how it played out. So my call was $1,000 before the end of the week. Right now it's Thursday evening, and we're at, I think the highest we reached was 997, so we're pretty much there. I'm relatively sure it hit 1,000 tonight, and I've been updating it here. Next chart was just a long-term S&P 500 chart. You can read about it here. And this last one was another short-term Ethereum trade. I actually missed. Well, I labeled this triangle, and then my internet shut down, and as I was publishing the idea, Ethereum actually broke out of the triangle, and I didn't manage to call it while I was inside, which makes it look a bit less spectacular. But then again, it worked. It found support. in this box, and then pretty sure it's going to make a new high above this for 1,000. So they're the ideas so far. If I just drop to a 1 hour chart on Bitcoin, actually it's been chopping around here at the top. This could be E here, but it's making a flag for the downside, so it could be a number of patterns, but the main thing is when it starts breaking highs like this, that's when it's going up.